Today, I am reviewing the Greenworks 48V Cordless Lawn Mower. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Taking care of a yard can often feel like a chore that is defined by frustration, especially if you are still relying on a traditional gas-powered lawn mower. The standard routine of dealing with spilled fuel, measuring out oil mixtures, pulling a stubborn starter cord until your arm aches, and inhaling exhaust fumes is something most homeowners would gladly leave behind. Thankfully, battery technology has advanced to a point where you no longer have to make compromises, and the Greenworks 48V 17-inch Cordless Push Lawn Mower is a spectacular example of how clean, electric power can completely transform your weekend routine. After putting this machine through multiple cutting sessions on various types of grass, it has proven itself to be an incredibly efficient, reliable, and user-friendly tool that makes lawn maintenance feel less like work and more like a simple walk in the yard. The heart of this mower lies in its clever power system, which utilizes two 24-volt batteries simultaneously to deliver a combined 48 volts of robust clearing power. This gives the machine a distinct advantage over single battery models because it provides the extra torque needed to slice through thicker patches of grass without bogging down or stalling out. Greenworks includes two 4-amp-hour batteries and a dual-port rapid charger right in the box, which is a massive value. In practice, this dual battery setup delivers up to 45 minutes of continuous runtime on a single charge. While that duration can fluctuate slightly depending on whether your grass is damp or exceptionally overgrown, it provides more than enough juice to completely finish a standard suburban yard on a single pass. The included dual-port rapid charger is another huge convenience, ensuring that both batteries are topped up simultaneously so you are never stuck waiting around for one battery to finish charging after the other. One of the most immediate things you notice when you lift or push this machine is just how incredibly lightweight and agile it feels, thanks to the 17-inch durable poly deck. Traditional steel decks are notorious for adding unnecessary weight to a mower, making it exhausting to push up hills or navigate around tight corners, and they are always prone to eventual rust and corrosion from wet grass clippings. This high-strength poly deck eliminates all of those issues. It is completely rust-resistant, meaning it will look and perform the same way years down the road as it does on day one, and its lightweight nature makes the mower exceptionally easy to maneuver around flower beds, trees, patio edges, and tight walkways. You do not need to build up a sweat just trying to turn the machine around at the end of a cutting row, which makes it an excellent choice for users of all strength levels. Versatility is another area where this Greenworks model truly excels, particularly when it comes to adapting to changing yard conditions throughout the changing seasons. It features a single lever, 5-position height adjustment mechanism that is incredibly satisfying and easy to use. Instead of having to walk around to each individual wheel to adjust the height manually, you simply pull the main lever to instantly raise or lower the entire deck to match the current condition of your turf. Furthermore, the 2-in-1 design gives you full control over what happens to your grass clippings. If you want to return vital nutrients back into your soil to promote a thicker, healthier lawn, you can set it up to mulch the clippings into fine particles. If you prefer a completely clean, pristine look with no debris left behind, you can quickly attach the rear collection bag to catch everything efficiently. What truly sets this cordless mower apart from its gas-burning ancestors is the absolute lack of required maintenance. There are no spark plugs to replace, no air filters to get choked with dust, no carburetor lines to clean, and absolutely zero emissions being pumped into the air while you work. Starting the machine requires nothing more than a simple push of a button, instantly humming to life, without any physical strain. The operation is remarkably quiet, allowing you to cut your grass early in the morning or later in the evening without worrying about disrupting your neighbors or damaging your own hearing. It delivers a level of cutting performance that genuinely rivals small gas engines, but strips away every single piece of baggage associated with them. For anyone looking to upgrade their yard tool arsenal to something cleaner, lighter, and completely hassle-free, this 48-volt Greenworks mower is an absolute triumph that delivers on every single promise.